That's it. Isn't that insane? Hi Shay babes, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Ayana, and you want to go ahead, press that subscribe button and that notification bell next to it so you would not miss any videos from me. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into today's video. Alright y'all, so I am very excited about today's makeup look because it's gonna be giving something, okay? It's gonna be giving something. So today I will be doing a quick makeup routine for the summertime. This summer inspired makeup routine is very easy, it's not heavy, and you still gonna be looking glowy and glamorous, okay? So let's go ahead and get started. First thing first, before you start any type of makeup, regardless if it's summer, spring, fall, winter, SPF. I'm gonna be using the Supergoop Glow Screen SPF 40 in the shade Dawn. This will give that really dewy, glowy look underneath your makeup, and I absolutely love it so much. I'm almost out too. No, I got a little bit in there. Come on, come on. Go ahead and work that sunscreen in. Oh, hold up. Why are you so far? Better? Okay, work that sunscreen in. It literally just feels like a moisturizer. And as you can see, I got a little sheen, shine, glow. Now I'm gonna let this sunscreen sit and absorb into my skin before I move on to adding primer and, you know, foundation and all that good stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows. Now I'm trying out this different technique. Let me know if you want more of a video on this. I got inspired by Nay. There was like a makeup video she did sometime last year, and I was loving how she did her brows. Like I was like, what did you use on your brows? And come to find out, she didn't use nothing on her brows. She just did concealer underneath the brows, traced the brows with concealer. I'm like, concealer only brows? Nay, you onto something. So I'm going to be using my Huda Beauty Faux Filter Concealer. This is in the shade Royal Icing. I have like a little bit of this left. I don't know where my other one is at, so fingers crossed this is enough. And I'm also going to be using like an angled brush. I'm not an expert at this. I tried it earlier today, and it looked like it turned out good. It was looking like I was doing something. Let me go ahead and do the other side. And like I said, if y'all want like an in-depth tutorial, let me know. I'm gonna try and do more practice on this technique. It's a vibe. I'm just gonna go in with my concealer brush just to blend the edges out. That's it. Isn't that insane? And it doesn't have to be perfect because it just doesn't have to be perfect, okay? I'm just gonna put a little bit of concealer on my eyelid and blend that out. And because this is supposed to be like an effortless summertime look, we don't want nothing heavy. We don't want to be too glam with the eyeshadow. I'm just gonna use one shade on my eye. I'm gonna be using the Anastasia Spice palette. I'm gonna use this pinky shade right here and apply that on my eyelid just to give a little dewy shimmer look to your eyelid. It'll match the overall vibe of that dewy glow. That's one thing you want, is a dewy glow for the summertime. You look hydrated, you look moisturized. I'm very tempted to put a little bit of, okay, I'm gonna go in with this matte beige, just a little bit. And I'm gonna just put that in my crease. I don't know, I just can never do one eyeshadow on my eyelid. I need a little bit of depth. So I'm gonna just add a little bit of that into my crease. Okay. Now I'll move on to some primer. I'm gonna use the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. I'm gonna put a little bit of that on and allow that to dry down. And as I'm waiting for that to dry down, I'm going to do my mascara. You want a good primer for the summertime. I love this, and I love the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. I love a primer that has a grip to it because your makeup would not move, especially during the summertime when you're doing a little bit more sweating. You will be set if you use a really good primer. And the e.l.f. primer is actually a dupe for the Milk Makeup Primer because I know the Milk Makeup Primer is a little bit more expensive. And as I'm waiting for that to dry down, I'm gonna go in with some mascara. This is the Urban Decay Tube Job Bleach Platinum Mascara. Y'all, this is a really good mascara. It makes your lashes look long. And I don't really have extremely long lashes. I have baby lashes in my opinion. And this does a really good job with adding that length and definition and making my lashes look more visible because my lashes are really light. I'm gonna actually do 2 coats of this mascara on my lashes. I'm actually put the mascara on my bottom lash as well. but I'll do that after I blend the concealer out. All right, mascara is on. I'm gonna go ahead and blend out this concealer underneath my eye. Y'all know I do not like putting mascara on my bottom lashes, but because this is like a platinum blonde mascara, my lashes are already light, so it shouldn't be too much of a shocker difference. Now I'm going back in with my concealer just to do a little bit of concealing on some areas. PS, make sure your sunscreen is all the way absorbed into your skin, so I highly recommend putting your sunscreen on after your skincare and allowing 30 to an hour before you do your makeup. Anywho, going in with my concealer brush to blend the edges of this concealer, and I'm just going to put a little bit of foundation on. Just want to put a little bit of foundation on just to even out my skin tone a little bit. Now I'm going to go in with a foundation skin tint stick. So this is the LYS foundation skin tint, and I'm just going to put just 2 swatches on my cheeks and on my little forehead. That's it. Like, you do not need a lot. I'm going in with the same brush that I used for my concealer to blend everything out. Now, you do not have to use a skin tint or foundation or whatever. You can just use a concealer if you want to. I just like to use something on my complexion just to even everything out, you know, tone down that pinkness and redness in my face. Last but not least, let's add a little bit more dimension depth back into the face. You don't want to be looking too deep, so I'm going to use a little bit of bronzer on the high points of my face and underneath my cheekbones. Now, bronzer is perfect for that summer bronze look. I'm going in with my dense fluffy brush to blend that out. And to blend the bronzer around my nose area, I just use my Say brush. I don't know what number it is, but it has this little fluffy end. I know people usually do not put bronzer around their nose, but I do. So I just like how that looks. I'm just gonna add a little bit of blush to this look. I'm gonna use the shade Freaky, which is like this orangey peachy shade, and I think that would be perfect. Just a little dab, just a little bit. And I gotta wipe off the excess because it can get intense quickly. Just wanted to add a little peachiness. Now, after you're done blending out the blush, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of setting powder to go underneath my eye. And I'm also gonna go in with a little bit of setting powder around my eyebrow area since we used the concealer up there. All right, a little bit of setting spray. I'm gonna use the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. And then I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty You Miss Setting Spray. This is a really, really good setting spray. It keeps your makeup in place, okay? We need our makeup to stay in place while we outside in the sun. The reason why I use both of those setting sprays is because this one leaves your skin really, really dewy, and it does a good job with meshing all of your makeup together. And this one does a good job with sealing in everything. So I just like to use both of them. And for a little bit of lip gloss action today, I'm gonna be using the Natasha Denano High Gloss lip gloss. This is like a little pinky mauve color, just to add to the lips. It's really, really cute. I really like this lip gloss too. Has a little bit of moisturizing action going on. She's cute. She's cute. And this is the final summer makeup look. I think this makeup look is so freaking cute. It don't even look like I got makeup on. It's giving no makeup, okay? It's giving no makeup. And this makeup is so lightweight. I already like using on a regular basis, even if I'm doing glam makeup looks or whatever, I like to use lightweight complexion products. I don't want it to feel like I got caked on product on my face. So all of these products are lightweight when it comes to complexion. So just a little bit, just use a little bit, blend it out, and you good to go. But this is definitely giving on the beach. I gotta be on somebody's beach. I gotta be on somebody's beach, okay? Let me know what you think of this makeup look down below in the comments. And let me know what you think about this brow, you know, situation. This is my first time trying my brows out like this, and I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it a lot. So let me know your thoughts down below in the comments. And also, if you made it to the end of this video, comment in your comments, summertime is fun, okay? Let me know what part of this video was your favorite down below in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to share. sharing is caring. So go ahead and do that. Don't forget you're beautiful, you're strong, and I will see y'all in my next one.